shares worldwide. Every pallet is verified,
ensuring every pallet is delivered safely and
luxury perfumes are showcased through elegant promotional
bottles pass through cooling tunnels to stabilize fragrance and liquid.
Luxury perfumes travel along highways in fully tracked vehicles, ensuring safe, timely delivery to distribution centers worldwide. From raw ingredients to finished shares. Behind every luxury fragrance lies a hidden world of industrial precision. Inside this massive perfume factory,
every signature scent begins with rare essential oils sourced from around the world. Here, specialists analyze.
in luxury fragrance manufacturing, precision's everything. Each essential oil is weighed to the exact gram.
This is where fragrance composition begins. Sanitized.
Before a fragrance can be bottled, it must be purified.
luxury perfumes undergo cold stabilization to prevent cloudiness.
This final polishing stage guarantees optical clarity and consistency. At this point, the fragrance has completed its chemical.
After purification and
Before filling begins, each bottle is sterilized using filtered air and UV treatment.
milliseconds matter in high-speed production. Automated alignment systems possess vertical precision. Perfumers. This is the moment transformation becomes tangible. Precision filling heads dispense exact volumes of fragrance into each bottle. Once filled, each bottle receives its precision-engineered spray pump. Automated placement systems ensure perfect alignment.
To preserve fragrance integrity, spray pumps are sealed using high-pressure crimping technology. The aluminum collar.
From essential oils to finished presentation, each bottle now carries the identity of a luxury fragrance.
Label feeders apply each design flawlessly at high speed, ensuring
Every luxury perfume requires traceability. Automated barcode printing and verification ensures
indiscretions. Luxury fragrances production demands traceable precision. Date and batch coding printers. Trays of luxury rooms are guided with precision into central conveyors,
Luxury perfume cartons are folded automatically with precise engineering.
Robotic systems load bottles into cartons with meticulous precision. Each unit.
After bottles are secured inside cartons, automated sealing systems close each box flawlessly. The alignment sensors are working perfectly. We are maintaining throughput.
Confirmed. Temperature is stable in Zone 3.
Inside the heat tunnel, shrink film molds perfectly around each luxury.
Every shrink-wrapped carton undergoes rigorous inspection. Automated sensors detect imperfections.
Controlled heat and airflow contract the protective film perfectly around each carton, enhancing durability and aesthetic appeal for luxury shipment.
Shrink-wrapped cartons are now aligned and ready for palletizing. Every luxury perfume is protected.
Shrink-wrapped cartons are carefully stacked by robotic arms. Each pallet is loaded with
Automated stretch wrapping secures each pallet for safe transport. Every layer is applied with precision.
Each pallet receives precise shipping and tracking labels. This ensures seamless traceability and logistics.
Before shipment, every pallet undergoes meticulous visual inspection. Operators ensure that every luxuries are pulled from production lines to verify quality. Each test ensures fragrance, clarity, and packaging.
Fragrance consistency is critical.
Technicians verify that every luxury perfume delivers the same aromatic experience.
Each perfume bottle is measured for exact volume and weight. Automated systems and precise scales ensure every luxury product meets strict specifications. Before shipping, every pallet undergoes a final visual quality check. Only those meeting rigorous luxury standards proceed to global distribution.
Pallets of luxury perfumes are guided from storage to the loading docks. Automated systems ensure each unit.
Each pallet undergoes automated scanning before loading. This verification step ensures accurate delivery and traceability.
Robotic forklifts load pallets into steeple. Each pallet is secured for transport with automated checks. This ensures the luxury perfumes arrive safely, maintaining.
Fully loaded trucks are now ready to deliver luxury perfumes worldwide. Every pallet is verified.
Every luxury perfume bottle embodies precision, elegance, and meticulous craftsmanship. Rows of luxury perfumes move gracefully along the display, showcasing flawless design and the high-quality finish achieved in the factory.
Spotlights illuminate the craftsmanship behind each luxury perfume. From industrial bottling to this cinematic. Luxury perfumes are elegantly housed in meticulously designed cartons. Industrial precision ensures.
From raw ingredients to finished pallets, every step in the production of luxury perfumes is executed with precision.
Ensuring every pallet is delivered safely and.
Upon arrival at distribution hubs, pallets are efficiently unloaded and scanned.
Customers experience the luxury of perfume firsthand. Each bottle reflects the meticulous industrial production, delivering elegance and consistency with every interaction.
Luxury perfumes are showcased through elegant promotional displays. Every detail, from packaging to bottle design,
Customers experience the true essence of luxury perfumes, industrial precision.
From industrial production to retail display, every step ensures luxury perfumes meet the highest standards of quality, precision.
Robotic arms handle each perfume bottle with remarkable precision, ensuring efficiency and maintaining the pristine quality achieved in production.
Perfume bottle receives an exact volume, maintaining consistency and quality.
High-speed conveyors synchronize the movement of thousands of perfume bottles, ensuring seamless workflow and precise timing.
Automated labeling stations apply each label flawlessly, ensuring every luxury perfume bottle reflects the highest standards of precision and presentation. Automated cap sealing ensures every luxury perfume bottle is tightly secured, protecting the fragrance and maintaining factory quality standards before packaging.
Bottles pass through cooling tunnels to stabilize fragrance and liquid clarity, a critical step in maintaining the luxurious quality of each perfume.
Polishing ensures every bottle reflects perfection, highlighting the meticulous attention to detail in luxury perfume production.
Protective coatings are applied to enhance bottle durability and appearance, ensuring luxury perfumes maintain their pristine presentation from factory to customer.
Precision. Before packaging, every luxury perfume undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure flawless quality, maintaining the high standards customers expect.
Automated tube insertion ensures every luxury perfume bottle is securely housed in its carton, reflecting the factory's commitment to precision and quality.
For precision, readability, and presentation before packaging.
Barcode and date coding ensures traceability and compliance, allowing every luxury perfume carton to be tracked from factory to consumer seamlessly. Cartons are efficiently moved to the boxing station, preparing luxury perfumes for final packaging, shipping, and delivery worldwide.
Automated boxing ensures that every luxury perfume carton is securely packed, ready for protective shipment and global delivery. Automated boxing ensures that every luxury perfume carton is securely packed, ready for protective shipment and global delivery.
Shrink wrapping provides protective sealing for each luxury perfume box, maintaining product integrity during transit and storage.
Automated palletizing stacks luxury perfume boxes with precision, preparing shipments efficiently for global distribution.
Wrapping secures each pallet of luxury perfumes, protecting products during transport and maintaining factory quality standards.
Fully prepared pallets of luxury perfumes await loading, ready to be shipped to global distribution centers, completing the production journey.
Forklifts efficiently load pallets of luxury perfumes into transport trucks, ensuring every product is secure.
Fully loaded trucks leave the factory, transporting luxury perfumes to regional hubs and retail outlets.
Luxury perfumes travel along highways in fully tracked vehicles, ensuring safe, timely delivery to distribution centers worldwide.
Pallets arrive at regional warehouses where they are unloaded and scanned, maintaining traceability and preparing for local distribution.
Pallets of luxury perfumes are retrieved with precision, ensuring they are ready for shipment while maintaining complete traceability. Pallets are consolidated and organized on loading platforms, streamlining the logistics process for global distribution of luxury perfumes. Every pallet undergoes meticulous scanning and documentation, ensuring accurate export. Luxury perfume pallets are staged at the shipping dock, ready for global transport, completing the final stage of the production and logistics journey. Trucks are positioned strategically at the dock, ready for efficient loading of luxury perfume pallets, ensuring smooth logistics operations. Every luxury perfume pallet undergoes visual inspection at distribution hubs to ensure no damage has occurred during transport, maintaining impeccable quality. Weight verification ensures each luxury perfume box matches factory specifications, maintaining product integrity and consistency for customers. Temperature and storage condition checks ensure luxury perfumes remain stable and pristine, preserving fragrance integrity before reaching consumers. Random sampling allows distribution hubs to maintain high-quality standards, ensuring every luxury perfume meets factory-approved excellence. Luxury perfume pallets are moved carefully to the final loading bay, ensuring every product remains secure and ready for shipment.
Trucks are positioned strategically for efficient loading, ensuring every pallet of luxury perfumes is ready for its journey.
Pallets of luxury perfumes are carefully loaded into trucks, ensuring safe transport and preservation of quality for global delivery. This is the culmination of industrial precision and luxury craftsmanship. Every bottle of perfume represents meticulous